Hey, to use Spotify with your PS5 Slim, first of all, you have to grab your DualSense controller and click on the PlayStation button. Now go into the music, click X on your controller and scroll to the Spotify and click X to download. Now confirm to download. And now this application was added to the downloads. And the right upper corner you can find such a notification. And now when you take a look on the left side, you get the downloading process. So now when it is finished, click X to start. Now just wait until the application will be available to use. There we go. So we can sign up for free or log in with existing account, and that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna select the first option, and then we've got an option to use the Spotify application. So first you have to grab your phone and select Spotify, and from here we can play any song. Then click right here, tap on this icon, and then select your PS5. And now in the most cases you will be connected, but I already did it, and now for some reason it is not connecting me anymore. So we can also use this. Okay, now it is connecting actually, but there's also a second method to actually scan the QR code. So when you select the second method on your phone, you just have to open this notification panel, open the QR code reader, and scan the QR code that will appear right here on the screen. But if this first method is working, just click to agree. Yeah, click agree one more time, and as you can see right here, we can play the Spotify and we can actually use it like this. Kind of simple. Here we can also use other lists, other tracks. So yeah, I guess that's basically it. And if you wonder if you can switch songs on your PS5 Slim using the phone, so yes, actually you can do this. Take a look. When I click on the next song, it will change the song on my PS5 Slim. So that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.